To utilize the money balance on your Apple account, you can make purchases on the App Store, iTunes, Apple Books, Apple Music, and iCloud storage using various Apple devices, including iPhones, iPads, iPod Touch, Macs, or Apple TVs. For App Store or iTunes purchases, start by opening the App Store or the iTunes Store app. Then find the items you'd like to purchase. When prompted for payment, your Apple account balance will be used first. If it's insufficient, the remaining amount will be charged to your primary payment method on file. To purchase Apple Books, open the Apple Books app. Find the book or audiobook you'd like to buy. Tap the price section and follow the given steps to complete the purchase. For Apple Music and iCloud storage subscriptions, the plans will be automatically deducted from your Apple account balance. By following these simple steps, you can easily use the balance in your Apple account to make various purchases across different Apple services.